Frustum o bakun. So we have several formulas on conical frustum in terms of R and H. This one refers to slant height, then the volume, the lateral surface area of a conical frustum, top surface area, base surface area, and of course total surface area of a conical frustum. We will take up example. A search bill is in the form of a frustum bakun with upper radius of 3 feet. And lower base radius of 4 feet. So this one 3 feet, 4 feet, and the height of 5 feet. Determine the slant area, volume, lateral surface area, top surface area, and of course the bottom base area and the total surface area. So letter A, slant height of a conical frustum of that one is equals to square root of R1 minus R2 square plus H square. So substitute values equals the square root of 4 minus 3 square plus 5 square equals to square root of 1 plus 25 square root of 26 equals to 5.09 feet. Volume of a conical frustum. So we have this one. Volume equals to 1/3 pi times H times R1 squared plus R2 squared plus R1 R2. So substitute values 1/3 pi times 5 times 4 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 times 3 equals to 5 pi over 3 times 16 plus 9 plus 12. So one equivalent to 193.6 feet cube. Lateral surface area or LSA equals to pi times R1 plus R2 times S equals to pi times 4 plus 3 times 5.09 equals to 111.93 feet square. So the top surface area equals to pi R sub 1 squared or equivalent to 3.14 times 3 squared equals to 28.27 feet squared. B surface area equals to pi r squared equals to pi times 4 squared equals to 16 pi equals to 50.27 feet squared. Total surface area of a conical frustum. So that is one. T is A equals to pi times R1 squared plus R2 squared plus R1 plus R2 times is equals to pi times 4 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 plus 3 times 5.09 equivalent to 190.47 feet squared.